MMSU as also an academic tourism area, because when we attract visitors outside of Ilocos Norte, it would also benefit the city of Batak. It would spur economic development, economic activities, and many others. Now, let me focus on the Sunflower Art 1.0. This is to complete the cycle of our 2 seasons, wet and dry season. So during the wet season, we celebrate the rice body art in collaboration with Peel Rice. And then comes the dry season. Usually this one is planted with corn, I think. And of course, corn provide us yield and a little bit of income for the university. But we would like to have a more profitable, or in terms of impact. Because this sunflower farm does not only create a clear mindset of beautiful things, but a lasting impact. This sunflower will only grow for about, sino yung mga taga-agriculture dito? What's the lifespan? 2 months? The flowers, I think, according to ChatGPT, will last around 14 days or 2 weeks. Ano na siya, pag-aabot ng 21 days, ay siguro exceptional na sunflower. But again, it is short-lived, but the impact, we have a lasting impact. So yun ang kinukuha natin. And as we can see here, at the center of the landscape is the Succeed, our Succeed agenda, which gives us direction on where we are going for the next 4 to 8 years. And at this point, I would like to thank yung mga taong behind this beautiful Sunflower Art 1.0. So it's 1.0. It's the art is the Succeed marker. It's a combination of 8. If you take the drone, makikita nyo doon, it's an overlay of 2 8s. Why 8? Because I am the 8th president of MMSU. That's the reason why. And baka hindi naman siguro tayo maging controversial dyan kasi may mga ano sa mga symbol, di ba? Uso-uso ngayon yan. But it's a marker, it's a design. It doesn't need to be, it's my identity as the leader for, as the current leader of MMSU. And all, at takad pa'y hangguan ako tatay. Next year, we will be having the Achieve symbol. It's like this. So, parang triangle lang siya, pero there will be some, they will be designed it's a Achieve to honor the Achieve agenda of CHED. Hindi tayo nagpapasip-sip, but that's the plan. And then, we will involve creative minds for the next 3 or 4th year, kung ano yung i-design dyan. And you'd like to be a convergence of technologies. That's why we invited DOST. What will DOST will be able to contribute and suggest their insights on how we can apply technologies here. Like how can we sa English namin tayo pati together. Extend. How do we extend the flowering na hindi siya malalanta kaagad. So, ganun, insect pest development, ating mga students, how to make multiple flowers in just one plant, ganun, plant breeding, etc. DA irrigation technologies, Peel Rice, baka pwedeng i-intercrop na yung rice dyan. Tingnan nyo kung yung